Hello students, you're most welcome in maths class and today's topic is division algorithm of polynomials. Okay, so let's start our topic. As we know, division is the important things, and in integers we all know how we can divide the numbers. Okay, but what happening in algebraic expression, it means if polynomials are there, it means it including variables is there. So we are facing some problems. Today we are going to divide polynomials may be long, like many having many polynomials having many terms like there and having many more powers is there. Okay, so today's what is division algorithm of polynomials. If px and gx are two polynomials where gx does not equal to 0, then we can find polynomial rx and qx such that px is equal to gx multiplied by qx plus rx, and we know dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, and it is nearly used long division of polynomials. As we know, long division of polynomials. So just see one example, otherwise we can learn what are the steps. So see, first we will arrange terms of dividend and divisor in decreasing order of their degrees, powers of the variables. And second is use Euclid formula to divide. Okay, see, the one is there, px is equal to x cube minus x square plus 2x minus 3, and gx is equal to x minus 2. When we will divide it, we can find out qx is equal to x square plus x plus 4 and rx is equal to 5. After that we can use division algorithm, that is px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. Okay, see one example. Now see there, divide, it is given over here 3x cube minus 5x square plus 10x minus 3 by 3x plus 1. Okay, so I start the long division setup. Looking only at the leading terms, I divide 3x cube by 3x to get x square. Okay, this is what I put on the top, because that when 3x cube is dividing by 3x, so we are getting x square. Okay, so what are the steps we have followed in division, simple division? Third step we will also followed here. Okay, now x square is multiplied by firstly 3x. Okay, so what is coming? I multiplied by this x square by 3x plus 1. Okay, so what we will get? We will get 3x cube plus 1x square. Okay, which I put underneath. Okay, and simple steps we will using in the division. So we'll use here one more thing here. We will change the symbol, because everywhere we are subtracting, and we know if subtraction symbol is out of bracket, so all the symbol will be changed. So what we will do here? We will change the sign. So see there, before 3x cube which sign was there? It was plus, so now it is minus, and before 1x square symbol was plus also, so again it is changed into minus. Now 3x cube positive and 3x cube negative both will be cancelled, and minus 5x square and minus 1x square will become minus 6x square. Then we will copy the same terms, that is plus 10x and minus 3. So now we new is there 6x minus 6x square plus 10x minus 3. Okay, so in this term, in this polynomial, we can see leading term is minus 6x square. Leading term is minus 6x square. Now minus 6x square is divided by 3x. So what we will get minus 2x. So again same thing, minus 2x we will write at the top. Okay, so we have written here. After that, what we will do? Again same thing here. What we will do? We will minus 2x will be multiplied by 3x plus 1. So what we will get? And here one thing more, you cannot leave the symbols. Okay, symbol is also most important. So minus 2x and plus 3x when you will multiply, so we will get minus 6x square. Okay, and minus 2x and plus 1 when we will multiply, so we will get minus 2x. Okay, so again we will change the symbol. So in place of minus it is plus, and before 2x it is also minus, so we will write here plus. Okay, so minus 6x square and plus 6x square both are cancelled here. Got it? After that we can see plus 10x and plus 2x. It has become 12x. Okay, and we will copy the same minus 3. Again we will multiply by it 4 because leading term is 12x, and when 12x is divided by 3x, so we will get 4. Okay, so 3 4 is 12x and 4 1 is 4. Again symbol are changed, so 12x positive and 12x negative both are cancelled, and minus 3 and minus 4 are minus 7. So minus 7 is reminder here. Okay, I hope so you have got it this one. Now see one more example, it's for you, and here same thing we will apply, same steps we will use, whatever steps we are using previous one. Here it was x cube minus 12x square plus 0x and minus 42, and 0x is written here. It means any number is multiplied by 0, every time answer will be 0. Okay, so why we are writing here? Because already I have told to you, beta, everywhere what will the things is that we are writing the degrees in decreasing order. That's why 3 2 1. Okay, so we will divide it, so same thing will come. Now new example, one more example for you. You can observe this one also here. When we are dividing by 2x plus 3, the remainder is 15, and quotient is x square plus 2x minus 2. And also we will apply here which theorem? Divisional logarithms. By that is, what is px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. By that we can also check our solution is right. Now the time of homework for you. Some questions, reliable questions are there for you. So just see what are the reliable questions. I'm going to show you. These are the reliable questions you need to solve. Okay, only 6 questions are there for you. You need to do same thing are there. Same procedure you will apply here. Nothing is changed, but only keep the things in about symbols, because symbols are the most important. If okay, everywhere you can see if minus symbol is there, to keep the things in your mind, because if there is a minus symbol before the bracket, so all the symbol will be changed inside of the bracket. And after that, reliable questions, NCERT exercise is also there, so you need to solve the NCERT questions also. In first question are there, divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx. So simple division is there, that's I have taught you. And after that, check whether the polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. Okay, so it is also division here. We will check it by division. Okay, after that, third question, 4 question, 5. So you need to solve them. If you are facing any kind of problem, so you can ask to me. Okay, thank you everyone and have a nice day.